Hey guys, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I fix these squeaky floors without tearing up the carpet. Alright, so the product I'm going to be using today is called Squeak No More. And I'll put a link to it in the description. I've actually never used this product before, so we're going to kind of see how well it works out today. It says it works on carpeted, hardwood, and vinyl floors. Specifically, I'm going to be using it on these carpeted floors up in the bedroom here, but I will explain how to use it on hardwood and vinyl floors. So first, let's just kind of go over all the tools we're going to need for this job. All right, so as I said, I'm going to be using the Squeak No More kit here, and this comes with pretty much everything you need except for a drill. Now, within that kit, you've got two adapters here. This one is for carpet, and this one is for hardwood, softwood, and vinyl. You've also got your drill bit here, which is going to be used. It's already set up for the proper depth, so you don't over tighten your screws. You've got the specialized screws here, and this is kind of the key to the system, as they snap off right there, so you'll never notice them when you step on them later. You've also got two floor joist finders here. Basically, and like I said, I'll show you how you use these. But that's pretty much all there is to it. If you want, you could also use a stud finder to help find your floor joists, but you don't necessarily need one. But that's pretty much it, so let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we need to find our floor joists. Now, there's a few options to do this. You can take a stud finder and try to run it along the carpet and see if it'll pick up your floor joists. Again, that depends on how good your stud finder is and really how thick your carpet is as well. Another option, take your hammer, go along here, and you'll hear a dead sound kind of where that stud is or that floor joist is, but again, it's going to vary based on how bad things are and really how thick your carpet is as well. The other option is using the kit. What you're going to do, you're just going to screw down here to the subfloor, and if you can't pull it like this, you've hit a floor joist. And if you can back it out, that's another way of telling you hit a floor joist. Now that's where that's at. Now, if I go over here, I know there's no joist here. It's going to go down, and I can pull it in and out. So I know there's no floor joist there. So now I know where my floor joist is, and I can go ahead and set a screw here, and that'll mark where my floor joist is at. Alright, so now that I know where my floor joist is at here, I'm going to go ahead and take my adapter here for carpet, and I'm going to set that there. I'm going to line this up as best I can, line that hole up with my mark here. I'll go ahead and take my screw, set it down in there. Now, I'm also going to step down here next to it to kind of push the subfloor down as far as possible. Then I'll put my screw on. Then I'm going to just push that and run it down like that, slow as it'll go. I'm going to pull that up, and you'll see the mark there. You'll see that lined up there. Now I can take a tape measure and go to the right or to the left 16 inches and mark my next one. I'm not going to pull this out. I'm going to keep going down the way, and I'll get all these lined up because I need to put more in here. right, so now that we have our screw set, what we're going to do is slide that down like that, and then snap that over to the side here, and it breaks off. And there you go. That's it. That's all there is to it. All right, now your other fixture that's included is for your hardwood, softwood, and vinyl or linoleum floors. So the smaller fixture here is for your vinyl, linoleum, and hardwood. The taller fixture is for your softwood. Now the concept is pretty much the same. You're going to use your bit here, and you're going to find your floor joists. Now again, one thing to remember is your floor joist spacing may vary based on the size of the floor joist, but you're going to use this to find your floor joist. Once you find your floor joist, let's say it's hardwood, you're going to go ahead and screw down into it like this. Now, with hardwood and vinyl or linoleum, your fixture is actually going to stop this, so you're not going to go down to the stopper on the bit here. Now, for softwood, this will go, and it will, the bit will stop it. Okay, and then same thing, once it's sticking out, you're going to slip it in here like that and just twist it, and it will snap off. But pretty much the same concept. Just remember, this is hardwood, vinyl, and linoleum, and softwood. Hey guys, thanks for watching. As always, if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you click that link below and become one. We got lots of great content available and are always coming out with new stuff, so make sure you check us out. And see you on the next one.